Hello! Welcome to the human body bacteria group Sigma Omega. My name is Bacteria-001. I am the head of all of us bacterium here in this human's body. Since you've only spawned via binary fission a few minutes ago, I would like to personally give all 6 million of you a tour of your new home. Although around you may seem murky and moist, this is our headquarters. The lungs. The dark and wet location is perfect for homeostasis. Even though the lungs are not doing anything wrong, our job is to attack. Our DNA is coded to eat the lungs from the inside out. You, in the back, I see you have a question? Oh, yeah, maybe I should have started with clarifying why we want to attack the lungs. Well, you are all not just regular bacteria. You are all extensively drug-resistant tuberculosis, also known as XDR-TB. You are all able to continuously infect a human with tuberculosis without worrying about anything stopping you. As XDR-TB bacterium, we have built up an antibiotic resistance to all antibodies. See, our host body's primary physician did not make the best of choices. A month ago, the host body was diagnosed with bronchitis. Fluoroquinolone and capromycin was prescribed to the body when diagnosed. But little did the physician know that the bronchitis was actually tuberculosis. The combination of the host body not completing the entire course of prescriptions, along with the overprescription of drugs, allowed us to come back stronger as extensively drug-resistant tuberculosis, instead of just regular old TB. Now, we are multiplying in the billions and are ready to spread to others. As you see on your left, this holographic projection shows us what is occurring on the outside of the body. The inside of the lungs fill up with blood and liquid until the body can no longer receive oxygen. As you see in this screen, we have an amazing study abroad program. Every time that the host body hacks up blood in order to try and clear her lungs, microscopic droplets surround the air particles. Thus, anytime a different human comes into contact without the proper protection, us bacterium are able to infect them as well. Not only will you be able to travel to nearby cities and states, but even other countries across the world. Now, when I first transferred from being a tuberculosis bacteria into an antibiotic-resistant bacteria, I had one very important question. How was this even possible? Let me see some hands on who feels the same way. Oh, wow, that's a lot of hands. Well, to answer the age-old question, genetic mutation is how we became resistant to antibodies. Within DNA, we have nucleic acids. Since the antibiotics were overused within humans, our nucleic acids were able to evolve and fight against antibiotics. Now this way, everyone. Here, we can see a doctor in PPE administering capromycin, but it will not work. We are working tirelessly to make sure that the tuberculosis continues spreading through antibiotic resistance. Oh my gosh, no group has seen this yet. Here, we can see our host body going to respiratory failure. All the weight of her body surrounds her chest, causing her to drown without being in a body of water. Oxygen is unable to travel into her bloodstream, meaning she is ready to pass away. Wait, do you all see that through the hologram? What are the doctors doing? They already gave the host body all the antibiotics possible. This is something new. Do not fret, everyone. We will be able to fight this. We are extensively drug-resistant tuberculosis. While we are waiting for the host body to pass, let me introduce you to one of our friends, the body's lipids. Unlike immune proteins, which we have to stay away from, lipids always aid in our endeavors. Right, lipids? Lipids? What are you doing? Killing the new recruits is not part of the tour. How are you killing them? What do you mean the doctors engineer nanoparticles into your cubosomes to deliver antibiotic drugs instead of proteins delivering them? That means the resistance is able to be bypassed and the bacteria is killed. I am killed. No, you can't do this. Oxygen is returning to the host body's bloodstream. The lungs are clearing up. The lipids have ruined everything.